Morning, guys. We're there back on it, you know. We're there on the road. We'll go down and talk the tree. Because it's an vehicle. There on the road. I'm gonna make some cocoa bars or chocolate bars. Our Jamaicans don't want me. Yeah. Original Jamaican chocolate, you know, chocolate tea. But the oil on top. Yeah, man. So that we're gonna do with today. And me I go bring you on along the journey with me. Bear in mind, at the first me actually make this. Is me. Me hear how them say they make it. Some of the theory, but I never did the practical before. You see me? I want it by myself because I want to experience and I want to learn. Yeah, so hopefully we can find some chocolate, some good ones, because we got the tree yesterday and we get tree and they never so good, you see me? They stay on the tree too long. I did see some where they up my tree, but never gonna stick. I can pick them, so this time I can have a knife, I can chop off the stick and pick them and so I'll go on, you see me? Yeah, man. Out there for it, man, people. I put in the work, you know. So that's why I'm going to share the video. Get all people know about me. Share it up, man. Share it out. Leave a like on the video. Leave a comment down below. If there's anything wrong, you can correct me. You see me? Because I say I have never done it before. I have an idea of how to do it. I'm sorry, I'm going to do it. And it by myself because I want to experience, as I said before. For the IG, Jeffrey 76 and Yardstick Adventures. The link to the page them in the description, to the scroll down, click it and follow up on the page them. So I'm soon forward. I'm gonna reach the tree them. Alright guys, so we reach the tree. So we're at the tree, guys. They up on the road, you know? Yeah, man. See the day I turn off for the road, you know? I'm going to the bush. Yeah. I said earlier, make a tree yesterday, but then they never so good and things, so I couldn't make the video, like continue the video. And I was thinking about it long and hard last night. Up till late, think about it, come and see I want to do the video. So I can't just stop, so give up, so alright, after try again. I'm trying to explain the feeling. You know, one time you travel for the first time, go overseas, or you have your first vehicle. I think the feeling negative, you can't sleep. I had a feeling I get last night, and I feel I always get one time I'm going to try something for the first time, like you can it for the first time. Yeah, man. Like come out the chocolate now. Yeah. So I can stream down here, so guys. Look at stream down there. Yeah. Yeah. There's the bush. So on the tree here, the tree leaf there. Maybe again. So on tree, but the tree never have none. Them dry up. See them there? And dry up. So I'll go up at the one. I don't want to get it off yesterday. The bush then kind of wet same way, see? And shiny. I'm already know same way. Big duck's nest right here, so guys. One thing though, mustard here, like crazy. Yeah, let me take out the knife, you know? So wrap it up. And I bag of milk here, chocolate them, you know. I don't really like sitting up here. I don't really like carrying a knife on the road, you know, because you know, police stop you and thing. and search and find knife for you. A problem that I can't body that I don't like unwanted attention. You see me? Yeah, see the consciousness. The big the consciousness. Yeah, see the chocolate them here. I hope they don't spoil cause so one nick on there, I hope they don't spoil. Cause it start turning brown, you know. So let's try find a stick now, guys. We can put them so. As soon as I find a stick, guys, I'm linking back. Okay, guys, one stick here. So let's see what I go on. One more here. We put the one, but the one is no good. See? No good. So I'm gonna try the one here now. The one is no good neither. I guess at the wrong time. It's at the wrong time, guys. So see if we can find no more. Alright, guys. This trip again is unsuccessful. I feel I just post it and done and show them how I go and see me, you see me? Yeah man, I just post it and done. But first, from post the video here, I'm gonna check out the one I'm gonna get yesterday because I picked three yesterday. Two ripe one, two of the yellow one, them orange one, yeah, and one green one. You never look green, you know, orange. So but they put the one for dry because the two orange one them brown as I'm just showing just now, you see me? So I'm gonna try see if I can parch the one there and see what I can get out of it, you see me? Yeah man, so I'm gonna see what I go. I'm gonna give up, so I'm gonna try parch the one and see if I actually can make something out of it. See if it can be successful. But whether I make successful, I'm gonna post everything showing the same way, you see me? Yeah man, because I saw do it. We have to learn together and grow together. Yeah, I'm showing everything. I'm not just showing things one time I get luckier when I'm successful at something. No, I'm showing the entire process. That's it. So I'm checking back pound one time I reach back home and all that. Yes guys, I must reach home. I'm really tired because it's a good luck walking back home. Well, I must reach home still. You know. I'll go home and just cool off 120 meters or so, and then I'll shoot the next video. That video I just before that video still. Yeah, so soon link back guys. And tell me I continue this video, so soon come back. Maybe later, maybe tomorrow, I'm not sure, so soon come. Hey guys, following right here, so that means let me get to the end of the video. Bless up, thanks for watching, really appreciate it. But now I'll go further with the video here, right? Because the chocolate I'm gonna get from yesterday, I'm turning about the green one. I'm put it for dry, the seed, then soft, right? The seed then soft, that means say not fit enough. So I'm not able to go along with this video. But I make it up to the same way and get some where we can use, you see me? I hunt down some we can use and make it because I'm still want to show you what I'm going, you see me? Right now, sick guys, sick. But the same way, same want to edit the video here and throw it up. Come decide say, yo, I'm still going to edit it and throw it up, see me? So when you can watch it and see what I'm going. So don't forget to like the video, leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about this video. You must subscribe to the channel if you're new. Click the bell, put it on all, because if you're a subscriber don't put it on all, you're not gonna know when time video drop. So I need to do that. I want to share the video, share it up man. With 103 subs now, so we need to reach 1k by mid next month, this month into mid next month. So I want to share the video guys and reach there, so help me grow, help me reach my goal. That's all I want to do for me. I just share the video and like the video, because when you like a video, YouTube recommend the video so people can see the video and thing. Yeah man, so follow the IG, Jeff876 and the other adventures. Yeah, because before I post on YouTube, a snippet I always post on IG, so open my IG so I'll go on before it actually posts on YouTube. So just do right man. So I'm out guys, catch you in the next video.